Third Sunday of Lent. The parable of the fig tree is also about a person who merely lives and refuses to become useful, who refuses to pursue things that are of true value. Yes, indeed, there are people who refuses the graces offered them for the spread of God's reign, for peace, justice, and love. Let us remember that it is in Jesus' self-giving that we were saved. In the same way, we are called to bear fruit, to participate in Jesus' salvific action. Let us also remember that the time given us is not limitless. It may be short or long, but sooner or later we will appear before the Lord to render an account of the graces and opportunities given us. The time is to act now.